Alright guys, check this one out. This is a custom grill that we just had done for a customer. It is a 6 top teeth, 8 bottom teeth. Now this is actual real 10K gold, guys. Real gold. It's not gold plated. This is actual gold. And it's custom fitted. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. Just snaps right on the teeth. Here's the back side. 10K. You got your stamp right there. It's available on our website, guys. blingcartel.com. Get your custom grills handmade. You can choose whatever combination you want, top, bottom, or a set. All right, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.